Taking care of our skin is definitely not an easy task.
And with the increasing pollution and chemicals in all skincare products these days, are you really feeding your skin the right ingredients?
Hi, I'm Aisha.
And I'm Sachi, and today we'll be showing you how to create your own all-natural skincare routine.
These recipes can be used for oily skin as well as dry skin, and you can make them at home so you have the option to keep your skin chemical-free.
CTM is an ideal skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing daily for healthier, younger-looking skin and to slow down the signs of aging.
Following this routine every day in the morning and night removes dirt, impurities, and pollution from your skin. It also balances your skin's pH level, tightens your pores, and nourishes your skin. So let's begin with Grandma's favorite ingredient, Multani Mitti, and some gram flour. Take a bowl and mix both ingredients in equal proportions using a dry spoon and you're good to go. Take some of the powder in your hand and massage it on your damp face for a minute and then wash it off. Multani Mitti removes excess oil from your face, while the gram flour acts as a natural exfoliant, keeping oil at bay and giving you smooth skin.
Dry skin needs a very gentle and nourishing cleanser as it is extremely delicate. Mix some honey with a few drops of milk and combine the two ingredients. Massage your face with it for 30 to 50 seconds and then wash it off. The lactic acid present in milk will deeply cleanse your pores, while the honey will nourish and moisturize dry and irritated skin.
We all know that green tea is a hero ingredient for anyone with oily skin, and it's going to be our key ingredient here. Take brewed green tea and add a few drops of tea tree oil. Store the mixture in a spray bottle and your toner is ready to use. Spray it on a cotton pad and dab it all over your face after cleansing. Green tea acts as an antioxidant, giving you healthy looking skin, while tea tree oil fights acne.
The key ingredient in our toner is a gorgeous flower chamomile known for its calming and soothing properties. Mix some rose water with 10 to 12 drops of chamomile essential oil and that's it. Pour it into a spray bottle and apply it with a cotton pad, focusing on the dry areas of your face. Rose water will balance the pH levels of your skin, while chamomile will soothe and nourish it.
This lightweight moisturizer will hydrate your skin without making it greasy. To make this moisturizer, mix a spoonful of aloe vera gel with some rose water. Apply it twice a day after using your toner and massage your face with it for 5 minutes to improve blood circulation as well. Aloe vera will hydrate your oily skin, while rose water will soothe it and prevent any excess oil production.
Did you know you could make your skin better by using shea butter? Combine 1 spoon of shea butter with 8 drops of jojoba oil to form your moisturizer. Use it in the morning after your toner and at night before going to bed. Shea butter is a strong moisturizer, while jojoba oil soothes inflamed and irritated skin.
So now you know how easy and simple skincare can be when you get to create it and use it for yourself.
Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.